All right, so I picked up this flag mount kit for my Street Glide, which uses the Harley-Davidson shorty antenna, which is pretty cool. So I take the bag off the right side of the bike. As you can see, I already have a shorty antenna for my audio system. And what we're going to do is we're going to pop this grommet out, and that flag is going to go out of that hole there. So this is what I got. I picked myself up thin blue line American flag because I stand with our brothers in uniform. Got myself some blue Loctite, the Harley-Davidson stubby, the stubby flag. That's whatever the hell they call this thing. Where are we here? Boom Audio shorty antenna. The stubby, I think, the stubby's like this big. So I got the shorty antenna to be symmetrical with my shorty antenna over there on the left side of the bike. So let's go ahead and we'll open up the kit here. It's dickiecycles.net. It's out of Michigan. And I looked at a lot of these things over the winter, and I like this setup the best. So, yeah, basically, you've got the shorty antenna with, the opening, whatever. So let's take a look at the kit. Someone's out on their bike right now. So because there was an issue with the shipping, the order got delayed a bit. The guy from Dickie Cycles, Rich, came through, man. He actually threw in a pair of his fairing vent screens. And these aren't like cheap plastic. This is the real deal. And these will go in the fairing vents on another video. I don't feel like dealing with that tonight because the bike is still under wraps for winter, actually. So I have to get it out and detail it anyways. And at that time, I'll install these and do another video. So what does the kit include? It includes the OEM grommet from Harley-Davidson. Right there. Instructions. And let's see. The bracket itself, which is right there. So this bracket mounts behind the bag. And yeah, and then there's the socket right there for the shorty antenna to screw into. The kit also includes whoopsies. No, you can't eat that. Sorry, shop manager, but you can't eat it. So it comes with, yeah, I'm having a wonderful day here. Comes with 4 of these grommets that go on the antenna there. You slide the flag on, and then you put the other grommet on top, and that kind of keeps everything in place. So it comes with 4 of them, so it must be a backup pair. And the bracket, and I recommend you use a little bit of Loctite just to keep this bolt in place. Or you could use a lock washer too. This didn't include a lock washer. It just included a flat washer. So I'm going to use a Loctite and get this sucker in place. And we'll go from there. So without further ado, let the fun begin. All right, so since I'm filming this with my phone, and I don't even own a tripod anyway, so I'm not much of a YouTuber. I'm more of a YouTube consumer. I consume the content where you guys make the awesome content. So I'm just kind of winging it here, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this sucker off, right like so. Boom. And I'm going to go grab that. Look who's very excited at the project here. Aren't you, boo-boo? Huh? Yeah, Chi-Chi really couldn't give two craps about what's going on here. I need to put this down for a second. Okay, like magic. Here it is. Okay, so we're just going to insert this. Yeah, it's just as loose as the other one. All right. Then the bracket itself goes in. I'll switch hands here for a second. Ooh. So the bracket. All right. As you can see, it lines up there, and it's inside the hole. See? Yeah. Way to go, phone. Thanks for not focusing. All right. Be right back. All right, so we're back here. So here's the bracket. It slides in here, and it bolts in here with that screw, along with some Loctite. Then you adjust it accordingly inside there to the angle you want. You put your shorty antenna in. You line up this antenna with the other antenna. Then you give it a nice little twist on the bolt, and you tighten it right down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause. I'm going to go and I'm going to get that bolt and put it in here and get it started, and then show you how it's going to look once we get it lined up. All right, so here's the shorty antenna. The bracket's on. As you can see, it's in the hole. Real excited? You're not interested, are you? I know, it's boring. So let's go ahead and we'll just drop that in. Yeah, and we'll switch to my right hand since I'm right-handed. Okay, we'll give that a nice twist down. And as you can see, it's actually pretty close in terms of, angle. Yeah, I guess I can live with that. It's kind of hard to tell with a cell phone. Black antenna across a black bike. Okay. So we'll just tighten this sucker down. I've already put some blue Loctite on there. It's in. I can feel that go through. So hang on. We'll be right back. All right, so Garage Manager's helped out. She's got the thin blue line flag. Thanks for helping out, girlfriend. Appreciate it. So here's the flag. And you just drop the flag down like so. Let's go grab a couple of these grommets. So there's the grommets. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. You drop it down. Drop the flag on, drop a grommet on top. I'm not going to bore you because I need two hands to do this, so we'll be back. Well, what do you say, huh? We done good tonight, huh? So here it is. It's on. Not rocket science. Like I said, you put one of those grommets there, the other one down there, slide your flag down. Well, You put the first one on, slide the flag down, then you put the top one on. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So there's my thin blue line flag. On the back, looks pretty good. I did do a lot of research this winter on flag mounts, and like Rivco or Rivtech, I think it's Rivco, makes one for the license plate that goes behind. The problem is it covers the lens on the Street Glide, and I didn't want to mount something up here because, well, it's in the way. What if I want to put something on the rack? So I opted for this one here. The bracket from Dickey Cycles is $30. The shorty antenna, yeah, well, it's Harley Davidson pricing. I think that was another $30. And then the flag I got on Amazon, I think for $6. So, yeah, I mean, it's what it is. However, I'm happy with it. I like it. I'm going to fly our flag, and we're going to go from there. On a side note, Santa Claus brought me some floorboards for my co-pilot when she rides with me on occasion. So these, I think she got them on Amazon. I still have the factory pegs. They're put away in the box over there on the floor next to the tire. But I think she's going to like them. They click in place pretty decent. And they're Streamliner, so they do match the Streamliner floorboards up front. And I got a couple other goodies I'm going to do this year as well to the bike. But I did get myself an AMSOIL oil change kit online. So this weekend I'm going to be dropping the oil, even though the oil's only got about 2,000 miles on it from the 10K service last year. It's been sitting in the bottom of the pan all winter, and I'm just going to change it for the money. It just, to me, makes sense to change it. Do what you want to do. That's what I'm going to do. So on that note, Boo Boo and I are done for the night, and we'll catch you on the next one, whenever that's going to be. Take care, everyone. Ride safe. So guys, that's it. That concludes the video of me installing the antenna with the thin blue line flag. Just want to give a shout out to dickeycycles.com right here. If you're interested in this thing, it was $30. It came in through United States Postal Service. He's out of Wisconsin. So again, dickeycycle.com. DICKYS, cycle.com, dickeycycle.com. I'm going to install these vents later on, probably when it's warmer out, but I just wanted to give a shout out to Dickey's because there was a snafu in the order. He didn't see it for a few days. I paid for it with PayPal. I thought I was going to have to go through PayPal to get it canceled, but he did come through. He did apologize to me for the delay. He had some things going on in his life, and as a bonus, he threw these in. I think these are $30-odd for the pair, so he did throw them in. So again, thanks to Rick at Dickey Cycles. Thanks for you guys for watching my crappy-ass video. I'm going to enjoy an ice cold victory beer here. Thanks to shop manager Gigi. Right, buddy? And keep the flag flying without spilling your beer. So that's all I can say. Cheers and beers, my friend. Be safe on the road. And we'll catch you on the next one, whenever that is. Thanks. Peace.